Hello. Diving day finally again. We're planning a couple of dives today, and that's amazing. I cannot live without the water too long, so I'm just happy to be in the water again. 2 dives, beautiful dives. One Bunutan, another one will be Lipah beach. How will be the dives? We'll see. The water condition at the moment is good. On the other side of the island there's a big trouble, big waves. Other side for us is Chandidasa, and that side I saw the videos from another island. I have to check out which island was that, but there was like big, it looked like a tsunami going, the big waves going into the town. Other people are just floating there, but yeah, not tsunami, just big waves. But here absolutely calm and nice because we are on the other side of the island. See you later. super cool dives. Visibility is a little bit greenish at the moment. I don't know, at the depth it's good, and as long it's the first 15 meters pretty greenish, so that's why, yeah. And the guys got the first experience with gas narcosis, which was super interesting to see. A little bit scary, but later on a second dive we tried it again, and he got the narcosis again on a depth of about 24 meters. But then I said, okay, hold on, breathe deeply, hold on the bottom, and then actually finally we managed to get down to 30 meters, and there was no problem at all. So that's how we spent the day. Was super happy to be back in the water again. I cannot live really long time out of the water. Okay, one day is enough. If there are 2 days without diving, then I start, like you saw it on yesterday's episode, that there is a lot of thinking, and again, what will happen in the future, what I'm gonna do in the future, am I doing right? It's all this coming in the head, and that's why, yeah. So thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you tomorrow again.